Hey, what's up guys? It's TechZoomer talking to you here. And today I've got a very different video for you guys. Because today I have a review of a toothbrush. Yes, a toothbrush. It's actually kind of weird, I know. It's not my type of videos. Normally I do videos about Macs, about iPhones, about iPads. But today I decided to review one product that has actually surprised me the most. And it's this Oral-B IO9. This is a Series 9. It's a smart electric toothbrush, so it's a very cool piece of tech. And nowadays, I do think that our oral hygiene is more important than ever. And so I decided to buy this electric toothbrush to review. And so for the past week that I've been using it's been insane. Like, it's been one of my favorite tech products ever because it completely changed the way I clean my teeth. So yes, it has a ton of things, a tons of features like a pressure sensor, so you can detect if you are putting too much pressure on your teeth. It has a 3D mapping system where it 3D maps your mouth and then sees if you have cleaned parts of your mouth or not. Then it has an app. It's very fun to use and very fun to actually view. So in today's video, I will unbox it and of course review it for you guys. This has been the IO Series 9 and it costs around $200. So it's an expensive electric toothbrush, I know, but I do think it's worth it because your oral hygiene is very important and this takes it to another level. So if you are interested in more videos like this, guys, do not forget to drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel and tell me on the comments down below, have you ever used the electric toothbrush and are you looking for a Series 9 from the IO? I've looked in some websites saying that Oral-B released the IO10, which is an even better and superior product, but I only saw the IO9, so I decided to buy one and try them out. This is the Black Onyx edition, it's the black one. So, no further ado, let's just get started, shall we?
$2,000 later.
So, I've actually unboxed it now and I have some thoughts to show you. Because this is an electric toothbrush, as I show you, and it's magnetically wireless charging. So, the first thing that it comes out is with this wireless charger. You just put it down, it's heavy, very heavy, and you put your toothbrush on it. And it just charges. You connect it to the outlet wall and it charges. It's very, very cool. Another thing that it comes out with is this package that you can charge your toothbrush with. Still, you can put it here and take it to your travelings. It's actually very useful to have and it's a pretty cool one. It's made from plastic though, so if you can hear it, it's not metal, it's just plastic, not aluminium. And finally, we have your recharge brushes and a place to put them. So yeah, it's just a simple place to put them when you are traveling. A very neat, very cool package, and of course, cables and charging cables. But the main product here is a toothbrush. It comes with one charge of your toothbrush and it comes with your motor. This motor lasts several years. This one, you should change them just the way like you change your current toothbrush, the manual ones. And it's a very cool toothbrush. It has two buttons, the start and stop button, so the turn off and turn on button, and this button, which is the selection or the menu button that you can call it. Of course, then you have the app. This toothbrush can be used without the app. The app is one of the main purposes of this toothbrush, but this actually is just usable without it. So it has a 20 recharge system, so it has a memory of 20 times you can brush it and then it can pass to your phone. After that, it will lose its data. But you can store it here 20 like brushing your teeth times and then it will send it to your app, which creates a history of your cleaning your teeth sessions, let's call it that. And then you have your tendencies, you have your goals, you have your challenges, which are created on the app. You have ways like, for example, I can change soft for your gums, I can change to intense cleaning, super sensitive, and you also can put a mode here, which is tongue cleaning. It's actually very weird, but it works very well. It's very cool and very funny to put your tongue. And then you have configurations where you can change your toothbrush. You don't need the app to do anything. And then you have your normal cleaning and you have the whitening teeth. It's actually very cool. And this toothbrush is very loud. Just listen to it. But it works very well. This toothbrush is very, very cool. It has Bluetooth and then it has the app, which let me just get it and try to show you. Wait a minute. So I've got the app now and it looks like this. It has some menus and you can change them like right here. And of course, when you want to start scrubbing your teeth, you just click on scrub now and it just starts scrubbing. And then you pull up your toothbrush, start here, and then you just scrub your teeth. Pretty simple, pretty useful. And then at the end of your session, you click conclude and then it just finishes. And after, if you had like a big session, it will show you the stats of your session. Let me try to get you one that I've done. So here's one that I've done, and here you can see all of the stats from my session. I cleaned my tooth, it took like 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and I scrubbed all the way of my teeth. This is very important to you guys so you can understand that you will elevate your way of cleaning your teeth, like very high. It's one of the best, not the best ways to learn how to clean your teeth. And then with the pressure sensor, I never had more problems with blood in my gums, which I had before, and my teeth now are much whiter and less dirty. Let's just say that they work very, very well. And this toothbrush has been an insane buy, and I like it very much, and I do recommend it for you guys. Though it's very expensive, be careful when buying one. You can buy other toothbrushes that are cheaper but not as good, don't have this app integration, don't have these types of features, these pressure sensors, with the idea that you will have to spend more money on the future on a better one. The advantage here is the fact that you can take off the recharge, and then if you need another one, you can just throw away this old one and you can keep the motor until it breaks down. So this has been one hell of a product. I'm very happy with it. It works very well, charges very easily. This box comes with everything. You don't need to buy any more accessories, in my opinion. This travel box is very useful. This travel recharge accessory is also very useful, and then the app is just the cherry on top of the cake. Of course, is it expensive? Yes. Is it worth it? Yes. So if you are looking for a toothbrush, I would think that this is the best electric toothbrush on the market. There's no better one, but I've seen also other reviews saying that there are other toothbrushes that are good. So take a look down the YouTube, around the internet for more comparisons. This is my experience with this one. I don't have another one to compare with, but I do think that the i9 from Oral-B is an excellent option. And for the money, yes, it's very expensive, but it's not too expensive. And its value for money is actually very good. So be careful while watching your teeth, guys, and if you do really need a good toothbrush, an electric one, then this i9 is one of the best, not the best that I've ever seen. So if you are excited for these types of videos, do not forget to drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel, and of course, leave on the comments down below what you think about the i9 toothbrush. Are you looking to buy a toothbrush? Do you like these types of content from different types of tech products, or you just want me to stick around for iPads, MacBooks, and iPhones? Let me know all of that on the comments down below. And this has been Tech Consumer talking to you here. Bye.